Hi guys, I am here with my May Phenology project. Of course, a little bit late this month. We just got back from a week-long trip to Florida to visit family. My brother-in-law got married, and then we went to Disney World. So needless to say, it has been a busy month so far in June for us. But for May, I embroidered these fairy lanterns. And I saw these when I was out on a hike, and I did not know what they were, but they were so cute. So I snapped a quick picture of them, and I found out that they were called fairy lanterns, which is the cutest name ever. So how could I not embroider them? So cute. And they only grow in California. And so it was really neat to see them growing in the wild, and I feel like with the name fairy lanterns, I just wish that they were planted everywhere. So the stitches on this were pretty straightforward, just a stem stitch, mostly satin stitch, and then a little bit of long and short to get that pink color on the inside right there. As always, I will have the free pattern up on my blog, cutesy-crafts.com. I'll leave a link in the description in this video. Make sure to check out hashtag cutesy-crafts-SAL on Instagram. That's cutesy-crafts-stitch-along. I'm having a lot of fun seeing what you guys are putting on yours, and I like some of yours even better than mine. So keep at it. I love seeing them, and I will get started on June, hopefully soon here.